Today, I'll be guiding you through ordering InfoTack's ID verification of identity. You'll be able to access this from the pin service up the top left-hand corner. If it's not here, you'll be able to go through to all services, people, InfoTack's ID. You also have the ability to pin this to your taskbar for faster use in future. When you click on this, it takes you to our dashboard, which is a summary of all of your past orders. We'll click into Start New Order, which will allow you to provide your client details. To order this, we will require matter reference, name, email, and phone numbers. You'll notice here you can change this to an international area code if your client is overseas, as InfoTack's ID can be done anywhere, anytime from a smart device. If you've accessed InfoTack's through a practice management system, this will be your landing page. We can see VOI is already selected. You'll just have to select the settings to cater for your client. So we'll see here we have the VOI type. These are the rules to follow when the client submits their ID, as well as the workflows. We do have custom workflows such as liveness check, video call, or video recording. The capacity will also be noted on your report depending on who and how you are verifying. Once you've done this, you can select all of your add-ons, including client authorization forms and New South Wales purchaser declarations. On my screen, we have the AML CTF due diligence bundle, which includes KYC onboarding, compliance screening checks, and verification of funds. If you don't have these options yet, don't worry, this will be updated automatically for you to compensate for the Tranche 2 reporting period. Let's go ahead, and when you're happy, you can click Continue. Before we send this off, we're just going to double check a few details. Here it's asking for your mobile number. We will not share this with your client. This is only for security purposes when you review their ID reporting. You also have the ability here to include a bespoke instructions or message to your client, which goes off in the email that you sent to them. If you'd like to include anything, you can type it here. If you've toggled on that the client authorization form is needed, just fill out the required form here so your client doesn't have to include as much property information. Once included, click Send to Client. And your client will now receive an email link, which is secure for them to log in and provide their ID details. Once sent out, we can still make changes to the original order. If you've provided the incorrect email address or spelled a name incorrectly, for example, you can click this pen button here, which allows you to edit all of this information. So go ahead, make those changes and click Save. You will then have the ability under this ellipse icon to resend the initial link or cancel the verification if ever needed. There's no additional charges to resend these links. As long as your client is getting the right information, that's what's important. So feel free to come back and make any edits needed. If you still feel like you need any further guidance, please reach out to your InfoTack's contact. Thank you.